Hey guys, Care from Speak Age, every collector here, and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox this Tekky toy Santa. It is really rare, and it has the same exact party action singer base. So we're gonna open it right now. Let me put the camera down. And yes, it's a dancing Santa made by Tekky Toys in 2003. I think that's the year it came. Yep, I think so. So yeah, we're gonna open him. Alright, now let's open this sucker up, shall we? Hold on, I put the camera down. Alright, so here he is. Let's take him out of the box. And there he is. He's out of his original box. Well, not his original box, but he's out of the box. Yeah. So, okay, so we got the. Alright, so here he is. He's in his original well, not original box, but like I said, he's inside this bag. So we're gonna open him. We're gonna put some batteries in this sucker, and then we're gonna test him. So yeah. And the reason why I bought it is because I just saw a video of it, of Daniel Argular's, and I've always wanted one. So yeah. Alright, so taking him out of the sealed bag here. Try not to break the hips. And yes, he has the same exact base like every party action singer and warfare puppetries. Whatever you want to call it. He has the same exact base like the party action singers. Alright, so let's take him out. Try not to break him. He is definitely really rare, to be honest. Taking him out of the box. Well, not in the box, but out of his bag. Okay, so we got him out of his. So we got him out, and here he is. Here he is. He's out of his bag. So there he is. It's in off. It's the battery. So let's test him out, shall we? Let's test this sucker. So we're gonna insert some batteries in him, and hold on. So I'm gonna pause the video, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I already put batteries in. Now let's test him, shall we? So yeah. Alright, and that is the end of the unboxing. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked this video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.